here now, and you are in Hong Kong. Yes, Hong Kong. And this way here is the harbor city of Jinshaochu, and you can see there are lots of people, and you can see that they really love the pictures and taking some of them are taking their photos, and even the children, you can see that. And our staff is busy to give them the ING business card now. You can see that people are receiving the business card after the photo taking. So you can see we are really busy.